Morning children, let's discuss few questions of your NCERT of exercise 2.2. This is your question 1 and it is given that A equals 1, 2, 3 till 14. Define a relation R from A to A. So here relation is defined from A to A. It is given that the relation defined is R equal to, this is your ordered pair x comma y, where you have 3x minus y equal to 0. That means I can write this as y equal to 3x. Right? Now this is ordered pair, that means this is your domain and this is your range. Here it is given where x comma y belongs to A. That means for x here I need to put 1, 2, 3 up till 14. But let's see, can we put up till 14? If I take x equal to 1, then my y will be equal to 3. If I take x equal to 2, then my y will be 6. If I take x equal to 3, then my y will be 9. If I take x equal to 4, then my y will be 12. If I take x equal to 5, then my y is coming out to be 15. But here it is given in the question that x and y should belong to A only. But this 15 is not an element of A, that's why we cannot consider this value. So this relation which is defined as this can be now written as 1 comma 3, this is 1 comma 3, then 2 comma 6, then 3 comma 9, then it is 4 comma 12. Now children, it is given in the question, write down its domain, codomain and range. Now I have formed my relation in this way and now I can write domain for this question is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Range for this question is the second numbers which are written here are your range. So this is 3, 6, 9, 12. And children, I told you what is a codomain. All the elements which are present in set B. Now here the relation is defined from A to A. That means set A to again set A, and this set contains numbers from 1 to 14. So codomain are 1, 2, 3, 4 until 14. Isn't that easy? Have a look. Children, you can say one thing also for domain. According to this relation, domain are 1, 2, 3 and 4. But since domain is the element of domain is the elements present in set A are domain. So here domain will just not be 1, 2, 3, 4, but it will be 1, 2, 3 till 14, because the elements, all the elements which are present in set A are domains. So here domain will be 1, 2, 3 till 14. Although from this relation I am just getting 4 elements as your domain, but the proper definition is all the elements of A are known as domain. That's why I have considered from 1 to 14. Let's see this question, children. It is given A is this and B is this. Define a relation R from A to B by R equal to ordered pair x comma y. The difference between x and y is odd, where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. So let us write the relation. So relation in ordered form. Here A is given to you as 1, 2, 3, 4. So you need to find out odd number. If the difference of A and B comes out to be odd number, then we will be including it. Say if I take 1, my A is given as 1, 2, 3, 5 and my B is given to me as 1, 6, 9. Now you see, if I am taking 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, so it is not an odd number. 1 minus 6 is again 5, although it is minus 5, but we are not going to consider here sign. So if I take 1 and 6, then it is giving me a odd number. That means I will be taking it as 1 comma 6. Then again take 1 and 9. 1 minus 9, which is minus 8, but the difference is not even, so I will not consider it. Again 2 and minus 1, so it is giving me an odd number, so I will be taking it as 2 and 1. Then again 2 and 6 will give me a 4, so it is not an odd number. 2 and 9 will give me a odd number. Then again 3 minus 1 is 2, which is not an odd number. 3 minus 6, I can take it as odd number. Then 3 minus 9, which is a 6, which is an even number, so I will not consider it. This is again 5 minus 1, which is 4. It's an even number. 5 minus 6, so I can take the pair as 5 comma 6. Then 5 minus 9 will give me a 4, which is not an odd number. So this is the this is my relation. Now it is given, write R in roster form. So what is a roster form? If the elements are written separated with comma sign, then this is known as your roster form or tabular form. So this is your relation R in roster form. Have a look.